Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Discovering Success, Uncover Your Purpose, Passion and Path. Lecture 7. Overcoming Challenges and Building Resilience. Recognizing common challenges on the path to success, developing resilience and a growth mindset. Strategies for overcoming obstacles and setbacks. Cultivating self-belief and confidence in your ability, seeking support and building a support network. Overcoming challenges and building resilience. Recognizing common challenges on the path to success. Success is a journey that is full of challenges, and it's important to recognize them so that we can overcome them. One common challenge is fear of failure, which can hold us back from taking risks and pursuing our goals. Another challenge is self-doubt, which can make us question our abilities and limit our potential. In addition to these internal challenges, there are also external obstacles that we may face, such as lack of resources or support. It's important to acknowledge these challenges and understand that they are a natural part of the journey to success. By recognizing and addressing them, we can build resilience and develop the skills we need to overcome them. Developing resilience and a growth mindset. Developing resilience and a growth mindset are essential qualities for achieving success in any field. Resilience allows us to bounce back from setbacks and challenges, while a growth mindset enables us to see these obstacles as opportunities for learning and growth. To cultivate resilience, it's important to develop coping strategies that work for you. This might include practicing mindfulness, seeking support from loved ones, or engaging in physical activity. Additionally, focusing on your strengths and accomplishments can help build confidence and promote a positive outlook. A growth mindset involves embracing challenges and seeing them as opportunities to learn and improve. It's important to approach setbacks with curiosity and a willingness to try new approaches. By reframing failure as a stepping stone to success, we can develop a more positive and proactive attitude towards our goals. Strategies for overcoming obstacles and setbacks. When faced with obstacles or setbacks, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. However, by adopting a proactive and positive mindset, you can overcome these challenges and emerge stronger than ever before. One effective strategy is to break down the problem into smaller, more manageable tasks. By focusing on one step at a time, you can gradually build momentum and make progress towards your goal. Another useful strategy is to seek out support and guidance from others, whether it's talking to a friend or family member, seeking advice from a mentor, or joining a support group. Having a strong network of people who believe in you can make all the difference. Additionally, it's important to stay flexible and adaptable in the face of change. By being open to new ideas and approaches, you can find creative solutions to even the most difficult problem. Cultivating self-belief and confidence in your abilities. Cultivating self-belief and confidence in your abilities is crucial for achieving success. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to take risks, set ambitious goals, and persist in the face of obstacles. However, building self-esteem can be challenging, especially if you have experienced setbacks or criticism in the past. To promote a positive self-image, it's important to practice self-compassion and focus on your strengths. Celebrate your accomplishments, even small ones, and remind yourself of the unique skills and qualities that make you valuable. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage and uplift you, and avoid negative self-talk and comparisons to others. Seeking support and building a support network. When we face challenges in life, it can be tempting to try and handle everything on our own. However, seeking support and building a strong support network is crucial for our mental and emotional well-being. Having people who we can turn to for advice, encouragement, and comfort can help us navigate difficult situations with more ease and confidence. Building a support network takes time and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. By surrounding ourselves with positive and supportive people, we can gain new perspectives,
learn from others' experiences, and feel more connected to our community. It's important to remember that support can come from many different sources: friends, family, colleagues, mentors, and even online communities. The key is to be open and willing to reach out when we need help or Guidance.
Overcoming challenges and building resilience. To overcome challenges and build resilience, it's important to first recognize that setbacks and obstacles are a natural part of the journey to success. Rather than viewing these challenges as insurmountable roadblocks, we can choose to adopt a growth mindset and see them as opportunities for learning and growth. Developing resilience involves cultivating a sense of inner strength and determination, as well as seeking support from others when needed. By building a strong support network and practicing self-care, we can better navigate the ups and downs of life and emerge stronger and more resilient than before.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.